guys, this is me, Levi. This is my first science video for my YouTube channel. This is me, Levi. I'm gonna do a science video, and it's called, in this science experiment, it's called Make a Bag Pop. Don't do this at home. We are just doing this for fun. I wanted to do an experiment. I did this, and I wanted to do a video, so I can show you guys how you do it. So I got my experiment guide. In this experiment, it's called Make a Bag Pop. This is gonna be pretty messy. This is why don't do it at home. Now this is something you will need from the kit. If you don't have one, it's good. You're gonna learn how to do this. So from the kit, you need a resealable bag, citric acid, baking soda, big scoop, and beaker. What to get from your house is 1 water, 1 square of bathroom tissue. Instead of tissue, we're gonna use toilet paper. That's what mine. Yep, 1 square. I told you not to be in this video. So now we're gonna do it. Measure 30 milliliters of water in the beaker. Into the beaker. So I'm gonna take this water in here and I'm gonna pour it into here. Nothing's gonna happen yet. This is gonna be called, right now it's a physical change. And now, then pour the water into the resealable bag. Resealable bag. Where did you put it?
It was sitting right there.
This might take a minute. We need to find the resealable bag.
I just had it. Let's just use a Ziploc, I guess.
We're gonna use a Ziploc.
We have one sitting right here.
Okay. This is the bag we're gonna use because we've lost the resealable bag. So, pour the water into the resealable.
Here it is, if you want it.
I'm gonna take this instead. Here is the resealable bag.
That came with the kit.
Yes. Resealable bag for bag pop experiment. That's the one we're doing today.
Put the water in here, I'll hold it.
Okay. I'm gonna take this. My mom is holding this for me. And I'm gonna pour the water in. See how the water is in? It's still a physical change because we didn't make anything new. But soon this is gonna become a chemical, which we're gonna create something new.
You should never do it without a
Start right
parent.
here.
Add 2 big scoops of citric acid into the bag and shake or throw the bag to dissolve the crystals. This is where we're gonna need this scoop. And it says add 2 of them. So I'm gonna take 2 big scoops and pour them into this bag right here. Okay?
And you should never do it without a parent.
I just told him not to do it at home.
Nothing's gonna happen.
To the bag and shake it to dissolve the crystal. Look at them, they're dissolving. See that? It's still a physical change. We didn't create anything new. It's just water with crystals in it called citric acid.
I'll get something.
There. They're dissolved enough.
Okay, step 2.
Step 2. Add 2 big scoops of baking soda to the middle of the tissue square.
Let's put that on the plate, okay? So I'll put the tissue on the plate.
Here's the baking soda. Here we have the baking soda. My mom's gonna open it, and I'm gonna take how much? 2 big scoops and put it in the middle of this. 2 big ones. And where did I put them?
In the middle of that tissue.
I'm gonna put this in the middle of the tissue.
And you should always do it with your hair.
Or why do you keep saying that? They already are. Fans, if you love science, you can do this. Just do it outside because science can be messy.
It sure can.
Right here.
Fold each corner of the tissue paper to create a cradle for the powder. So I'm gonna take these, all the corners. This is where I might need my mom. Cause see these gloves, it's making it harder.
Stuff them in the
I'll fold them up and then you have to grab it. Okay, so pinch that and pinch that all together, all 4 of them. Got it? Like a little cradle?
Yep, now I have it.
Okay. Drop the tissue paper full of powder into the bag and immediately seal the bag tightly. Drop it in there.
All right, guys, watch the bag.
Something's happening.
It's gonna pop.
The bag will begin to fill with carbon dioxide gas. You can shake the bag to help release the baking soda more quickly. Stand back and watch the bag fill and fill and fill until it goes pop.
Yep, it's gonna pop soon.
Yeah. Should I don't like it.
I can't wait. We created a chemical.
Is this a chemical change?
Oh, chemical. It's called chemical.
I know, but is it a chemical change because now the baking soda and the carbon dioxide,
Yes.
or not carbon dioxide, but the
Baking soda.
baking soda and what did we put in there? Citric acid.
They're combining together.
Stand back, it says.
Mm-hmm. I have no idea.
How long it's going to take.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know how long.
It sure did puff up quickly. Did you see that?
Mm-hmm. It's gonna pop. Go.
Yeah, it's gonna be so messy, guys. That's why I would put on a plate. That's why I did.
I love science.
Yeah.
That's
And I love horses.
No, you don't. You said that because Rebecca does.
No.
Don't forget, this is going on your YouTube channel.
I know. YouTube. My mom never lets me get on it.
Only
Because
when
it has
you-
scary stuff. That's
Only
pretty
when
much
you
all.
Well, is it going to pop or not? This might have been a dud.
Come on.
And sometimes science never works the first time. You never know if it's going to pop or not. Why just give it a little punch to wake it up? There we go. Now mix.
Stop, Levi. They're gonna pop it.
So it says stand back though, so I feel like it's going to pop when you least expect it.
Stand back. We're so
No, I
fun.
think you have.
We're at the dog.
It's probably because. There you go. I think it's because it said tissue paper instead of toilet paper.
Perhaps, but it does say tissue square. I don't know. This is bathroom tissue. I feel like that's toilet paper. Repeat the experiment using a resealable sandwich bag, 1/8 cup of vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. You want to try that?
Sure. Let's try a new version.
Okay.
Since this one.
So here is a resealable
Ziploc bag.
sandwich bag.
Move.
I'll get you 1/8 cup of vinegar.
1 cup of vinegar for this other one. I know this is already 10 minutes long. It might take a while.
Lydia, get out of the video.
Lydia, these are my fans from YouTube.
Okay, here you go, Levi. Get that bag open.
Yep, definitely.
Okay, I got it open.
Move.
This is vinegar this time.
This is vinegar instead of warm water.
Okay, what else? 1/8 cup of vinegar and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Oh, buddy.
Oh, here we go.
Tablespoon.
Fans, YouTube fans, I hope I can meet you and become friends.
I don't know where you put your
I
baking
love
soda.
making friends. Stop, guys. Do you want this video to have 0 subscribers to it? Then stop messing around. I want so many subscribers. Because I want more. The more subscribers, I'll tell you this. The more subscribers I have, the more YouTube videos I'll make. So if you want to see more of my videos, what's going to happen now?
I don't know. I'm gonna have to make this.
Look at this.
Oh yeah. Oh, that popped up quick. What's it gonna do?
Gotta pop. It should. Alright.
Oh, what's
You have nothing there.
The science failed.
You still?
No.
Still need more.
Only one more. I know a way to pop it.
How?
Mom, you know those like sharp sticks? Can I tap them?
Just
Want
that
it?
one.
Sharp sticks?
Yeah, you know the ones with the pointing edges?
Like a kebab?
Yeah, kebab. Yes. I have this.
I don't think that's
It's
gonna
gonna-
work. It's gonna have to work.
Oh. Did you put it in? You put it in.
It's still not exploding.
This is one experiment. Did you know that there's an experiment for this? There is. The experiment is where you take like water and some like food coloring in it. You mix it up. You take these, you stick it through, and it won't leak. You stick it where the liquid is, and it won't leak.
Very cool. All right, well, that's all for today's science video.
No, that's all for today's science video. I hope I have tons of subscribers. Bye.
Don't forget to click the like.